fun photo shoots that I did. I remember the entire Grazia team was there, Ekta and the entire team, but I remember that they didn't really interfere much. They gave us a certain direction, and then they allowed us to just, the photographer and me and the stylist and all of us sort of worked as a team, but there was no interference of any sort. And I think the most important thing is that we had fun, we had a good time. We didn't plan that this would be the best cover of the year, but I'm glad that they think that it was nice. No, I think first of all, when you hear from your contemporaries itself is a nice thing, because I think everyone's sort of so busy with their own work that when you actually take time out to appreciate someone else's work, it's a nice feeling. So I appreciate that itself. I mean, what can you say? They'll say a nice picture, great cover. What more can you say?
ग्रासिया का मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये फ़ोटोशूट करने में, क्योंकि बहुत ही यूथफुल यंग फ़ोटोशूट था और उसकी जो टारगेट ऑडियंस भी है बहुत यंग है। और ग्रासिया की जो पूरी टीम थी बहुत ही मज़ेदार टीम थी। दे हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम विद मी, आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम विद देम। एंड ये जो अवार्ड्स है ये बहुत ही रेलिवेंट अवार्ड्स है, बिकॉज इट सेलिब्रेट्स यंग फैशन एंड यूथ इन फैशन। So I think it's great, absolutely। और मैं उन्हें congratulations कहना चाहता हूँ और thank you भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे काबिल समझा कि आज मैं ये कवर पे हूँ।
Well, I'm here for the Grazia Fashion Awards, and I'm wearing a designer called Dhruv. I love the stuff, बहुत ही अलग है, it's high fashion। I would say कि आजकल Bollywood काफ़ी risk ले रहे हैं और मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ क्योंकि I love this kind of clothes, and it's nice to come to a fashion event where something very fashionable।
फ़ोटोशूट के दौरान पहले मैं सवाल पूछता हूँ कि कितना टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि मुझे सारे शूट जल्दी करने की आदत है, क्योंकि मैं एक मॉडल था एंड व्हेन यू आर अ मॉडल यू नो हाउ टू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा एंड डू योर जॉब फास्ट। तो ये फ़ोटोशूट ग्रासिया का जो था हमने 2 घंटे में, पूरी जो शूट है 2 घंटे में कर दिया हम लोगों ने। एंड दैट्स अ रेगुलर फॉर मी कि जितना भी जल्दी हो सके हम कर लें, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से जो रिजल्ट्स हैं they don't make a difference if you spend 5 hours on a photo shoot।
I believe that fashion, style, all of that comes from your own personality. I've never believed in dressing in a way that's not comfortable or that doesn't suit your personality. I think it's very important that you dress according to your body type and something that suits your personality. That's what we were discussing actually earlier today. So yeah, that's what I would say. And whatever you wear confidently. Don't blindly follow. This is the wrong thing to say at this event, but don't follow fashion trends blindly unless and until it suits you.
For me, my message to the youngsters when it comes to fashion and stuff is be who you are. अपना एक पहचान बनाओ। Don't get stuck in what everybody is wearing and what everybody is saying. Find your own identity and enjoy it.
That you must ask them. If you ask John Abraham will find 1,000 reasons why he should not be there. But I think it's an honor to be approached to shoot for a fashion cover, and I enjoy shooting for fashion covers. So if there are more, I'd love to, because it's like a child in a candy store. So I really enjoy it. I'm not sure about the way I look, so it's fine. I'm happy that way.
I appreciate other people's work. There's a lot of covers that come out every week, every day there's a new cover. So there's of course a lot of work that I like. But I think at the end of the day, the business we are in is about being individual and having your own style.